Hello everyone. In this lecture we discuss order and degree of differential equation. Order of differential equation is the order of highest derivative occurring in that equation. And degree of differential equation is the highest power of the highest derivative when all the derivatives in that equation are free from radicals and fractions. So let us see some examples. Example 1. dy is equal to sin x dx. Here x is independent variable and y is dependent variable. This we can rewrite as dy by dx is equal to sin x. So highest derivative is with order 1. Its power is also 1. So order as well as degree of this differential equation is 1. Let us see another example. dy by dx raised to 4 plus d2y by dx square raised to 3 plus y raised to 7 is equal to 0. Here highest order derivative is second order, so order of this differential equation is 2. Now highest power of highest derivative is 3, so degree is equal to 3. Next example. Example 3. If we consider another term, say minus 4 times d2y by dx square raised to 5 equal to 0. Again the order is 2, but degree is now 5. Highest order derivative is second order derivative and its highest power is 5. Let us consider next example. Y is equal to x times dy by dx plus 2 times square root 1 plus dy by dx square. We can see that there is square root. We have to simplify this equation. We rewrite it as y minus x dy by dx divided by 2 and square, so that we get 1 plus dy by dx square. Here highest order derivative is 1, so order is equal to 1 and power of dy by dx is 2. Highest power is 2 in this equation, so degree is equal to 2. Now consider 1 plus dy by dx square bracket raised to 3 by 2 divided by d2y by dx square is equal to r, where r is any constant. So here we have fractions and radicals. We have to simplify. So we multiply this equation by d2y by dx square so that it becomes now we have to square this equation to remove this square root, so that we get 1 plus dy by dx square raised to 3 is equal to r square d2y by dx square, its square. Now highest order derivative is second order derivative d2y by dx square, so we don't need to simplify this left hand side. Okay, so order is 2 and highest power of d2y by dx square is 2, so order and degree of this differential equation is